Oculus store. This fool.
Hello guys, it is me.
Parker, I found
the
a
guy
Doom
you've never
version
heard of
Gorilla
before.
Tag. It's called Gorilla Shotgun, and you like it's basically Doom.
That's unrelated right now. I'm trying to do the intro. Hey guys, it's me, some guy you've never heard of.
I'm Eagle Hopper.
Hey guys, it's me, somebody you've never heard of. Today we're gonna play some Animal Company, and we're gonna see how horrible people we are. Shut up! Get away from me! Get away!
How do I like this thing?
This is my friend, George McGee.
Parker.
His YouTube channel's got a video with me in it.
Hey Parker.
Can you stop?
Oh! Whoa! Wait.
Look.
Yeah.
So this is George McGee. He has a YouTube channel with
AKA
like,
Marcus.
Subscribers. Yeah, AKA Marcus.
What about me?
What about me? Obviously.
Yeah.
And then this is Tay. I don't know if he has a YouTube channel, but if he does,
I do.
it's cool. What's it called?
Bonnie Boo, promote me.
All right, you're promoted.
Wait, bro, there's a crossbow. Mine.
Dude, the crossbow's
There's
so
a
much
crossbow
fun.
for 999.
Get it.
Well, I don't have enough. At 200. Wait, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go get some more bananas over here.
Hey, I need them. You already have one.
I already have one. You can sell that.
Come on, let's go get money.
There's money over here.
Really?
Yeah, look. Come here.
I'm gonna edit this video a little bit, so please be.
Where are you guys?
We're over at the minefield area with the danger signs.
Alright, it looks like Area 51.
Yeah, this is about to be my
Careful
first
for all the mines.
correctly edited video that I've ever done. So I really hope that this turns out well.
No, give me my bananas.
All right, I got one.
All right, let's go get more. Start recording, actually.
I'm already recording, dude.
Guys, this is the red light, green light monster. This was if you went over here before. Red light, green light, like the red light, green light monster. Oh, have you not seen the red monster yet? Yeah, I've seen him in the video. Come on, guys, let's climb up the tower. Whoa! Whoa! It's a vent.
What?
Let's go.
How do you get up there?
Where am I?
How do you get up there?
Come on, guys.
Where'd you go?
I'm back at stop.
Come back. We want to see what's out there.
I'm gonna.
There's nothing out there. You just glitch out.
Oh, you do?
I know there is nothing up there.
Oh, then let's go. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be editing this video a decent amount. So, if this is my first good-looking video, please just be happy about it. Wait, Marcus, I still have a banana to sell.
The whole
What'd you just say?
Let's go get chicken.
fucking egg.
Guys, where are you?
Guys, where are you?
Right here.
Right here. Put your stuff in and follow me. I don't have anything right now. Alright, come on. Going over here.
Parker!
Isn't this the new map?
This looks like a factory.
I haven't been in it yet. What's it like?
It's fine. There's the red light, green light monsters down here.
Oh. Alright.
Whoa, oh god. Whoa! Let me pull out my flashlight.
How does this, Marcus?
Guys, come on.
Where are you?
Right here. Hey, yo, let's get my flashlight. Give me my flashlight. Thank you. Alright, come on.
How does this work?
Do this. Guys, come on. Do this. It's really fun whenever you know everything about the game. Alright, guys, ready? Get on the wall, and then...
Alright,
Ow!
Where are you guys?
Come on. movie.
I'm getting this stuff.
Alright, I'm out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, okay. Oh, a rocket. No, that's mine. That's mine. Put it in my backpack. Stop moving. That's mine. Just looking around. That's mine. Give me it. I know. I'm just looking around. Come on.
Say hi to my dead body for me. Crap. That's not what I was hoping for. Oh crap, I'm stuck. What?
Dude, I'm coming back down. Here, I'm gonna drop your backpack. Hey, drop me your rocket. I dropped it. I'm coming back up, guys. There's nothing in the backpack.
I'm coming back up.
Alright. Guys, I'm gonna play a prank on him.
It dropped me down a rocket.
I don't have it.
Yeah, shoot him down a rocket, you stupid you stupid funny person.
Give me a rocket. I'm stuck down here. I have items. Climb up.
Put it
On your back and
climb up.
Climb up. Where do I climb up at?
Get over here.
Just like walk. Just like jump from wall to wall.
Does it hurt you?
I climbed at one pipe and then jumped and then started wall climbing. What? Or you could just die.
Yeah, just die at this point.
I'm not gonna die.
My stupid items keep on disappearing.
How do you hurt people with this thing? I'm gonna hurt
Oh,
you.
all my items disappeared. Hold on, I'm going back down.
Till the soil, till you're dead. Kill us now, please.
Literally, like all of them.
Crap!
I'm making my way back up. I found a thing I could pinch climb on.
Good, good, good.
I'm stuck in.
Did you guys hear about Concord?
The game stops. Oh my god.
You guys good down there?
This game flipping sucks. How is this happening?
You guys good?
Oh, hi.
Do you want to play Yeeps instead?
No, I want to keep on playing this. Look at this fucking phone.
Dude, you want to know the easiest way to do it? Use the Oculus menu button, walk back a little bit, and then put your hands all the way behind you. Because if you move a ton, it should just unclip you.
Nothing happened.
Oh.
Like walk in real life. What am I supposed to do?
Walk in real life backwards, and then walk in real life backwards. Hit the Oculus button. Walk in real life backwards, and then move your hands back
so I could see.
all the way back as you can, and then hit the Oculus button again to get out of the menu.
Hold on, I can't hear you because the stupid wind sound.
All right, so basically, you have to hit the Oculus button, walk back a few steps, put your hands all the way behind you and then press the Oculus button again to get out of the menu. Did it not work?
It's not helping. It's just putting me back in place.
Then just quit and rejoin. I can grab your items.
Put the crowbar in so you could get back up easier.
Alright, let's go. Crap, I can't see now. I just couldn't see. Oh my god.
Oh, what the code?
Do you remember the code?
No. We need to get back up. Yeah, we do not know.
Six 698 something. Oh great, my hand's stuck too.
No.
Help me.
Oh, he just joined back.
We're still down in the hole. We're trying to get back up.
Yeah. We're still down here.
Back. I'm coming.
Come on. Yes, I made it out. My hand is no longer stuck.
Hey, I'm back. No, dude, don't climb up that. Don't climb up that one. Here, just take this rocket.
What does it do?
Aim it. You suck. Oh, where's my item? Where's my backpack?
I don't know. I think he put him in his backpack.
Oh, my backpack. There's nothing down that way.
Oh, really?
Look, come here. Yeah, look. There might be an item. Parker, come here. Where are you?
I'm right behind you.
Here, can I have flashlight?
Well, what does this do?
It hurts you to touch it.
Oh, crap. That hurt.
I made it up. Yahoo! Woohoo!
No, stop! My hand's
Time to
stuck.
make some money.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get an item.
My hand got stuck inside of the little, what's it called? The little, like, mushy stuff on the wall. I died. Good thing you had the flashlight.
I died.
I can tell. Do you want to play the Yeeps stuff? Do you want to play the Yeeps map now?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Wait, what the heck just happened? Oh, it's still... All right.
Nines are... Oh, there you are. Nines.
Hold on.
We're gonna join the Yeeps map.
Okay, wait, join your phone, and I'll join.
Yeah, we're gonna join my private world. Marcus?
Alright, decent money.
Alright. What happened? Alright. Okay. Who's Finn? He didn't answer. But Nines is in. We're gonna go to my private world. Yeeps is still loading for me, but we're gonna go to mine so that you can friend him, and then we can go to his. Temporarily what? What? Yo, is that you? It's Coconut Pineapple Man!
Yeah. Coconut Pineapple Man!
Alright, everybody from my private world. No! No licking trampoline park! No licking of the trampoline park.
Alright guys, active shooter.
Active shooter! Stop! That's funny! Basically, I built a basketball court, like a little basketball court in my map. Oh, the new bundle. Have you not seen it? It's got a backpack like that. But I'm basically...
Parker, let me show you something.
Okay, so look.
Parker, can I
he
show you
says...
something?
He
Yeah,
says
I'm gonna
he's
leave the
an...
call. I'm gonna leave the call.
He keeps saying he's an active shooter because he keeps
I'm gonna
shooting
cream all
things.
over you, Parker.
They're not like that.
Parker, I'm gonna cream all over
No,
you.
you're not.
Parker, come here. I'm gonna cream all over you.
Get away! We could turn back time to the good old days.
Active shooter.
He's shooting me. Shooter. I'm just gonna
Help me. These are the real active shooter
Is
instincts.
this like a trampoline
yes,
park?
that's what it's gonna be. I got somebody to.
I'm gonna cream
I
on
got him
you.
to help me dupe some zip lines, so I got a zip line here. But does it look good so
Parker,
far?
look. Wait, Parker,
What?
come here. I want to show you
Active
something.
shooter in the
It's
building.
gonna be accurate. Watch. Parker, look.
Oh.
Parker, look. Watch.
Slam dunk.
Oh. Wait. Hold on. Wait, Parker. Wait. Hold on. You ready? Stop. Don't shoot me.
Oh. All right.
Wait, friend shooting me. Watch.
him. You need to friend him.
We go my
You need to temporarily friend him. Come on. You need to press the friend
Dark
button on here
sports.
so that you can go to his world.
Oh wait, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Nope, not that one.
It's the plus friend button. Look, the person plus button.
Parker, watch.
Like this one.
Huh.
This one. Look.
Parker, watch this.
Did you press it?
Parker, come here. Yes.
All right, come on, let's go then.
Parker, come here. I want to say something. Parker, wait, Parker. Freeze!
Yeah, we're
Parker,
going
wait.
to Taves. Come on.
Can I add you guys?
I'm in. Is Marcus gonna get here? Do you want to wait for him? Oh, there he is. Come on, we're going to room 2. This is the welcome to McDonald's Play Place. Guys, there's an active shooter in the Play Place.
Please, I am Coconut
the
Pineapple
mascot.
Man.
Why
is everything yellow?
Come on, let me show you around. And remember, no matter what you do, do not go through the caution
Wait,
tape.
let's play hide and seek.
Got it? Alright. Don't go up there. That's the
Caution
vents.
tape?
Don't go into the vents.
go.
There's nothing secret up there. There's nothing secret. I promise. No vents. No vents, Mark. No vents. No vents. No. There's nothing in the vents. Get out of the. No.
Nothing in the vents, you get out! Coconut Pineapple Man will personally hunt you down.
What is here?
Ooh, ducky. Okay, I can't pull out guns, but I can pull out banjos and hit you in the face.
There's an active. There's an active shooter. Please. Run.
Oh my god.
This is the active shooter play drill.
Where's the
just
caution
don't.
tape?
Yeah! You want to put
You're not supposed to go in there.
Caution tape?
It's unfinished.
What is
It's unfinished. It's part of the unfinished wing. You can't go in there. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. We're gonna kill you.
Get over here!
I'm stuck! Oh, that's scary.
It is scary though, isn't it?
Oh
God, he made it out.
That's why I made a YouTube video.
There's an active shooter in the play place.
Yeah.
He pressed teleport button.
Come down! Where is he?
He made it in the escape room. You can't
It's
be in here.
unfinished.
Did we get him? No, we didn't. Clearly.
Let's freeze that booster.
He made the cannons go off.
Where'd you
He's
go?
over here. Hey, get him! Get him, Johnny. Wait, is he in the barrel?
Oh yeah, there's hiding spots. A lot of hiding spots, by the way.
Yeah, we're gonna finish it. Do you want to help us?
It's probably gonna take another week
Yeah.
to finish, though.
Can you turn it back to normal mode now, like creative mode, so that we can build?
Never. We're
You
gonna
guys
play
forget
few
to
rounds
choose
hide and
it all.
seek, so he knows the place more.
You never heard that. That was Bobby the Demon speaking. He's
Bobby the
possessing me.
Demon.
It's Bobby the
Where is
Demon.
he?
He's possessing me.
Coconut Pineapple Man has to have a word
I will
with
have a
him.
word with you, Bobby the Demon. Wish we could turn back time
What do I hear?
to the good old days.
I think he's in the unfinished.
He's probably
place,
in the vents. I heard a teleport noise. Oh,
Yeah, that was me.
you mama, ding ding ding, go ga ding ding ding, go ga 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 ga.
Okay, I know exactly where you are.
Rum stum stum, gully gully, gully rum stum stum. He's not hiding behind the desks.
Yuck!
What'd you say?
Least funniest
That's
thing
the
I've
funniest-
ever heard.
Caution tape. He's over here.
Hey!
I got him. By the way, this is the way to get into the unfinished wing officially. There's the first caution tape.
How did you guys get in that room? There was like a room that you guys got into. How did you get in that? It was like this room. It had glass.
What room with glass?
It was like a house. And it
Oh,
had,
are
like,
you talking
yellow
about the
stuff in it.
office buildings?
No, but it's banned.
Like the cubicles?
How do I open this?
Hey, can you unban bombs? I want bombs in the play place.
Yeah, I'll
Can you
unban
turn
some
off
stuff.
creative mode now? I mean, turn it on to creative mode now so that we can start building.
No,
what
run
the?
around. It's fun.
Oh yeah, you can't bomb people, but you can give them hypothermia.
Alright, coconut pineapple man is gonna
He
hunt
is?
all of you down.
Crap! I'm killed.
I'm sigmaing
He's
away.
sigmaing away, Marcus. Do you hear that?
How do I get in this room? How do I get in this big room? Big booty room. To the play place.
God!
Oh, I missed.
Yaddy's like a melody in my head. Yaddy's like a melody in my head.
Run to my hiding spot.
Don't ask, but it's very fun.
Is this
No!
like new?
Get away! I know, but like I figured I thought Marcus was it.
Caution tape.
I'm gonna
Get out! Alright, let's find him.
He's probably in the cubicles. I'm going to paint you red!
Alright, creative mode. I thought you were gonna go this way.
Alright, can you set that to creative now? Bro's got a degree in yapology. I bet you I'm it now. Next. It's either that or it's Marcus next.
Alright, do you guys want to do
Let's
creative
play
mode
one
now?
more round.
No, not yet. Alright. Yachty's in a melody in my head.
Bro, you messed me up. I was gonna slide. Dad, I want to slide. Ow! I hit. Bro, come here, come here. I found an OSHA violation at the slide. Come back to the slide. I found an OSHA violation. Look, somebody, the slide with the trampoline at the bottom. Somebody come. There's an OSHA violation. Watch. Move. Look, OSHA violation. Ow. Oh, God,
Okay, we don't talk about that.
Why'd you go that way?
Where'd he go, Parker?
Parker, where did you go?
Where did he go, Parker?
Hi guys.
Oh, hey, it's
What's
Gunman.
goody, gang?
Oh, hey, it's Jeremy. I'm just gonna chill with Jeremy.
Yeah.
Yachty's like a melody.
Wait, that was a. Wait, you have lime green colors?
Yeah, I don't have
That's not lime
green,
green.
I think. But I've
Dude,
got
where
like
are
a
you?
decent amount of colors.
Wait, I think he's in the.
He might be. You know where he might be though? Yachty's
What?
like a melody in my head. Rolling. What?
Bro, he sits down a
Get-
pineapple head. Absorb that thing. Yo, dude, can you talk real quick? Yeah, boy.
Where?
Alright, I know where he is. I destroyed his voice echo voice.
Oh, he
thing.
has a voice duper?
It's a voice. It's a thing that like
I
makes
know.
your voice just be somewhere. So it's perfect.
I know where he is.
Where is he?
I heard the teleport noise.
Where is he?
He placed down a decoy over here.
I literally just saw him.
Where
I'm
the
not lying. I just saw
Where
him.
the funny bunches of oats is he? 'Cause I will kill him personally if he doesn't tell me.
I swear I just saw him.
Tra-la-la-la.
Bro, he just placed something down. Dude, he's placing them down as he's moving. Bro, you stupid guy. Get out of here. Took his voice, dude. Hey, dude, talk real quick.
He's like a melody in my head.
He's in the
He's
vents.
in the vents. As soon as I said that, I heard him breathing, so he's in here.
I know where he's going then.
No, I ain't.
I know where he's going.
Give us a hint. Give us a hint. Give us a hint. I've been running around everywhere. He just filled up his fluff. He's filling up his fluff.
Wait. There's a fluff thing in the room.
Parker.
I'm pretty sure.
There's also one down here in the vents. He's in the one up at the main plus.
He's not here. He could be
How
at the
many
other
vents?
vents then. I want to see where he placed a decoy over here. Where'd he? It's
Placing decoys everywhere.
Coconut Pineapple Man decoy. Baby Jace.
Dude, give us a hint. He's near me. He's in a hidden room, probably.
Oh, where? Hidden room?
Probably in a
We'll go
hidden
check
room.
the cubicles one more time.
I can hear Toddy. Dude, I can hear you breathing. Toddy's like melody. Bro, he placed a decoy.
He's placing them everywhere.
God.
Wait, no,
I don't
we
really
need
wanna
help
play
building
anymore.
this, dude.
Play hide and seek anymore. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to play hide and seek anymore.
Hide and seek. Sigh.
My headset's also about to die. Place another decoy over here.
He's refilling stuffing!
Wait, Parker.
I yes!
Finally!
Alright,
I could hear him. I was like,
creative mode.
I swear
First, I'm
I
going
heard
to
him.
eat baby J's. Hey, baby J's.
How much more? I have
got like
8%
100.
left, Parker.
Alright.
I might have to charge it.
Ah, nice. Were you still here?
Oh no, he got off.
No.
He turned off his headset. Oh. No, he's still here. He's just moving around. Alright, who's gonna be the seeker?
Probably me.
Wait, you get a radiation
You
gun.
do? Oh yeah, the bundle gives you a radiation gun.
I kind of want that.
It's not a radiation gun.
I really
It's more
want
of a
the
Geiger
hazmat bundle.
counter.
Wait, does it cover up? They need to add gloves. Yeeps needs to add like
Creative mode.
gloves.
Oh, are you
That'd
here?
be so cool.
Okay.
Wait, does this bundle give you gloves? It'd be cool if they would. Imagine it was a glitch that would make you get rid of your like the red outline, like your red outline that shows when you're
That'd be
a
overpowered.
seeker. Yeah, but it was a glitch. Oh, that was an accident. Sorry. I did not mean to grab that. I accidentally put my controller up.
Oh,
to
you
my,
did?
butt. Up to like my back because I thought I was.
Oh, you were itching
my
your controller?
and I accidentally grabbed the floor. No, I was itching
Your
my
butt?
my back. My back.
Yeah.
Dude,
What?
dude,
I'm still
stuck.
recording.
I'm stuck outside.
I'm
Step
still
around,
recording,
I'm
dude.
Help me, I'm stuck. Steve, you've got to help me. I'm stuck.
No.
Yeah.
Sorry, Linda, but you can go kill me. Sorry, Linda, but you can go deal with your own problems.
I'm at 5%.
Wow, that's a stinky.
Steve, you gotta help me. I'm stuck.
Yeah, no. Step bro, I'm stuck.
Steve, you gotta help me. I'm stuck.
Yeah. What is that? Yeah. What is that? Stop throwing, baby. What is that outfit?
Stop throwing baby Jesus at me.
Baby Jesus. God in disguise.
Steve, you
Bro,
gotta
look at this
help me.
guy's outfit.
Stop.
Look at Tay's outfit.
Yeah.
That is you, Tay, right? Yeah, it's
I'm a
Tay.
robot. Parker, look at me. Parker, look. On the phone. Parker, Five Nights at Freddy's. Da, da,
Shut
da, 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 da. Parker, look. Five Nights at Freddy's.
Nobody likes Five Nights at Freddy's. Why is Nice calling me?
No, 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 eat your head.
Oh,
Parker, my headset's about to die.
bye, I guess.
Alright, bye, man.
Yeah, I can hear
Oh,
you.
wait.
What was
Hello? Can you
Hey,
hear me
hey.
in game? It's about to die.
Baby Jesus,
About to
God
die.
in disguise.
I'm Ice Spice.
Yo, guys, look at.
I'm gonna
I'm
kiss
Ice
you on the
Spice. Stop
mouth.
holding Baby Jesus.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Stop throwing Baby Jesus.
Stop
at
throwing
me.
baby Jesus at me.
I'm going in through the
Ice
secret
Spice.
entrance.
Oh, wait, this is Ice Spice? Wait,
Yeah, it's
wait,
Ice
did you
Spice,
said this
guys.
is Ice Spice? Yeah.
It's Nice Spice.
Yo, Ice Spice.
She's very nice to all of her fans.
Parker,
I am
come
outside.
inside. Parker, come
Getting,
inside.
I'm touching grass. Why? Why must I touch the grass?
Come to me. Come to me.
Oh God!
Come to me. Come to me.
Ice
Ice Spice is
Spice.
coming. So stupid.
Parker. Come to me.
Who said
Mark
Ice
is
Spice
dead.
was stupid?
Stop! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot
No.
me!
I'm literally. I'm
Ice
literally.
Spice is
It's
armed.
armed. No, get away from me!
Parker, come here.
Get
Let me show you
away.
something real quick. Parker, look at this. Parker, look.
Get away!
Stop violating Ice
Get
Spice.
away!
Die.
Parker, get the
Flip over here.
Yo,
Parker, look.
stop, dude! I'm recording. I'm gonna post this to YouTube. That's it. I'm using bombs to kill Baby Jake.
He died.
Peter, my balls hurt.
Ice Spice is telling me
Spice
no.
says no.
I immediately saw the Ice
Ice
Spice
Spice
hand
is
up. I'm
telling
like,
you
oh my
no.
god.
Ice Spice is armed and at the ready. Grandma is ready. I saw a video where it was a grandma AI, and it said Grandma is ready in a voice that sounded like it was a weapon. Grandma is ready. Yo, Ice Spice is moving.
Look, Ice Spice is moving.
Yummy Ice Spice. All of the ices and the spices.
There's ice in my Spice. Trying to get the dancing one. Oh, there we go.
I'm back. And I like to eat banana bong gong gong gong. Oh, what's this?
I'm blue.
Yo, what the heck is this?
Yeah. That's a hiding
Five
spot.
Nights at Freddy's.
Put that back. The Ice Spice is eating you.
Ice Spice don't eat me. I eat Ice Spice.
It's an Ice Spice
what?
Hydra.
Oh my god,
you know
a
the
Hydra.
Hydra,
I
like
said
with a
Hydra.
bunch of heads.
Guys, look, it's Ice Spice Hydra. Hydra.
Ice Spice Hydra.
Hey guys, look, it's Jua. Hydra. My back just cracked. I have expected to glow tonight.
Feet Night Bat.
Feet night battle we wow. Feet night battle we wow. Feet night battle we wow.
Fortnite Battle we wow.
Fortnite battery.
Fortnite Battle we
Wow.
wow.
I am the most uninteresting child you will ever meet. My favorite color is gray, and I like the taste of medicine.
Dude, look. You like the taste of
Three dabbing ice
Three
spices.
dabbing Ice Spices. Dude, you need to get
It
this on
was on
camera. Three dab.
On camera.
You
Don't
monster.
worry, I'm recording right now. Yo. You're just pulling it out. Not clickbait. Not just bombs.
I was about to
Ice
say
Spice.
not clickbait.
Not clickbait. No, get away! It's Ice Spice.
Ice Spice Army.
Ice Spice is gonna kill me. I don't even know who Ice Spice is.
Ice Spice is personally hunting you down. You don't.
Kill yourself. I am armed and at the ready. I am armed
I
and
know
at the
bombs.
ready.
No,
What? Watch out, Ice Spice.
I swear
armed.
this one moved. Hold on.
Ice Spice is armed. And now I'm running from Ice Spice. Sugar, ice. Now do that. Now do that. Now do the veggie dance.
That
Alright, fine.
Come finish the ball
Just
pit.
remember, Ice Spice, I'm armed and I'm at the ready. Shooting Ice Spice with a gun? Not clickbait. Help me, I can't see. Can you please pull them off me? I legit
Assassinating
can't
Ice Spice?
Too bad.
see. Sorry, did you know that it's actually more dangerous to keep a loaded gun in your house than it... You know it's more dangerous to keep a ladder in your house than it is an open gun? That's why I always keep a loaded gun in my house at all times in case somebody tries to sneak in with the ladder.
What?
You know if there's more deaths this year to ladders at my house than there is to guns? That means that I need to get rid of all the ladders and buy some guns.
I'm Mike Tyson.
I want to make Ice Spice peek through the wall. Then let me in! Let me in!
Mike Tyson is coming and hunting
Hey
you
dude,
down.
go inside of the... Stop, Mike Tyson! Your chicken nugget brand is really good!
I'm Mike Tyson.
Yeah!
I'm Mike Tyson.
Mike Eason. Chase down by Mike.
Chase down
Look
by
at
Mike
Tyson's
Tyson.
Ice Spice. You're distracted now. Mike Tyson, please. There are bombs. Look,
No bombs, you idiot!
I'm dipping Ice Spice in the vat
I
of
hate you.
acid. Ice Spice versus vat of acid. Who survived?
No.
Epic rap battle. So Ice Spice versus vat of acid.
Epic rap battles.
Versus vat of acid.
Spice versus uranium.
She's lying dead.
Get out of here!
It's Mike Tyson.
Mike
It's
Tyson.
Mike Tyson. Guys, look, it's Mike Tyson.
Where are you?
Ooh, punch club. Oh no, I want that. I will fight back.
Wait. No bombs, There's kills right there. Nope, bombs. Put that bomb away.
Get over here, Mike
Put it away.
Bryson. Look, guys, it's Mike Bryson. Your chicken nugget brand is...
Okay, fine. You can take these. Let's go
You owe
away.
me $40,000. Yo, stop getting naked.
Oh, I hear him.
Hey, don't look behind you.
Guess who I am
McDonald's?
now?
I am lying down on the floor.
Cletus.
17 dead in Alabama due to sudden earthquake.
Alright, Cletus is now personally hunting you down. Uh-oh.
Bombs are banned. Bombs are banned. You will never be able to escape me.
I'm Cletus.
Get away.
Oops. And I'm personally hunting you down.
Former President Barack Obama. Guys, look, it's former President Barack Obama.
I'm not Barack Obama. I'm
President Barack
Cletus.
Obama.
Found dead.
Former
By
President
Coconut Pineapple
Barack
Man.
Obama.
Found dead.
dead
in
in
McDonald's play
Found dead
place.
McDonald's play place.
Suspect being
Suspect?
Coconut Pineapple Man.
I'm gonna touch you. You can't escape me. I have the power of teleportation. I will touch you. Ow. That actually really hurt. Ow! Oh god.
What?
Oh god. Ow! No, I hit my hand on my
I've
chair.
defeated you. I've defeated you.
Do you want to try and work on my world? Once my hand heals real quick.
Sure.
It's actually like really hurting.
Yeah. To recover.
Dude, how much butt coins do you have, sir?
Oh, I just wasted.
Are you gonna
400 on
get
Ice Spice hair?
The bundle. Are you going to get the bundle
the
when the
hazmat.
next update comes out? Okay, well, if you do,
Maybe if it's cool.
can you buy me a map? Yeah. I don't have money.
Yes, I
and
will.
I'm like, if I wanted to get items to build the map, it's gonna cost more money than just to buy the map. I will kill you, Ice Spice. I saw Ice Spice at my local
Ice Spice, I'm gonna
Costco.
kill you.
I saw Ice Spice at Costco. Ice Spice at Costco found footage. Ice Spice.
Former President
You
Barack
can't
Obama
hurt me.
found dead in
I am a
McDonald's
god.
play place.
Hey there. Turn around. Say my name. Say my name, sir. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. No, my gun. Stop, you can't shoot me. I'm a minor. I'm a minor. You can hurt me. Former celebrity.
Ice Spice found dead in river.
The way I just appeared. I just appeared like, hey there.
It just jump scared me.
Yeah.
Have you seen down here?
I don't want to see your frog collection.
I dissect them. You want to see my frog collection?
Get away
in
from
my
me.
basement.
He can't chase what he can't. He can't hurt who he doesn't
on.
like. No, I'm not coming.
Come on.
No, I don't.
Please. You know you want to see it. You know you do. Don't lie to yourself. Child found dead in someone's basement.
My name is Coconut Pineapple Gan. I don't want to see your frog collection though. I'm not looking at it.
Look at my
What does
frog
this do?
collection.
What do those buttons do? I have head nausea. I have head trauma now.
Look at my frog collection.
Head trauma. Hat. Hey, I'm just gonna, take. I need these.
No!
I need these. I need these.
Stop! Stop!
Local Philadelphia
Where
child
do you
found
think
dead in
you're
a
going?
basement.
Are you trying to
Local
escape Ice
Philadelphia
Spice's
child
basement?
found dead in basement. Local Philadelphian child found dead in basement. Click here to see the story from Fox News.
Yeah, Ice Spice beat
Ice Spice kills a
down
minor
a
in her
child in a
basement.
bush.
Many wounds found on the child.
If you add found footage to any
immediately
video title,
took him
it's
into the
just so much
hospital.
better. Ice Spice kills women. Found footage.
Yeah.
Parker
Spice is
learned
a
how to kill people. Found footage.
What was all out?
Where's the map? Where's the map?
No, it's
Where's
over
it?
there.
Yes. Alright, I've got zipline now. Ice Spice can't kill me. Crap. I legit just said.
Found dead in
I
trampoline park.
legitimately just said, now Ice Spice can't find me, and then you just appear. I love portal balls. You can just appear in front of somebody with a gun and say my name.
Child.
You know, that reminds me of a
Dead
video
child
game.
body found on trampolines in urban air.
That reminds me of a video game.
What?
The one that goes,
What video game?
It reminds me of Five Nights at Freddy's.
What?
That reminds me of Five Nights at Colby Jack Cheese. Yes, I love
You know
that
Binding.
game.
You know the Binding of Isaac.
You're
I'm
being
being
what?
called for again.
Wait, can you dupe?
Can
Can you dupe two of these with me real quick?
my dinner's ready. I'll be back.
See ya.